Little storyteller.
Rexy the Tyrannosaurus Rex loved to watch cooking shows on his little TV. He loved the way the chefs chopped veggies and made yummy food. I want to be a chef, Rexy roared happily, but not too loud. Rexy opened his very own restaurant called Rexy's Ribs and Ferns. The restaurant was in a sunny meadow with colorful flowers all around. He painted a big sign with his name and a happy fern on it. The first customer was a fluffy bunny with long ears. "Welcome," boomed Rexy gently. "What would you like to eat?" The bunny looked at the menu. "Can I have some chopped carrots?" she asked. Rexy smiled. He grabbed a big carrot, but his giant claws made it hard to chop. The carrot flew across the kitchen. Next, a sleepy sloth shuffled in. "I'd like some roasted sweet potatoes," he mumbled slowly. Rexy was excited to cook. He put the sweet potatoes in the oven, but his breath was still a little bit fiery, and the sweet potatoes came out extra crispy. A wise old owl with big round glasses flew to Rexy's restaurant. She saw Rexy looking sad. "What's wrong, Rexy?" she hooted softly. Rexy explained that his claws were too big for chopping, and his breath was too hot for cooking. The wise owl smiled. "Rexy," she said, "you have strong claws. Maybe you can help us in a different way." She asked the fluffy bunny to bring her little wagon full of juicy berries. "These berries need to be squished to make yummy juice," the owl said. Rexy carefully squished the berries with his big feet. It worked perfectly. Then the wise owl asked the sleepy sloth to gather some tough roots from the forest. "These roots are too hard to chew," she said. Rexy gently roasted the roots with a tiny puff of his fiery breath, just enough to make them soft. The sloth loved them. Rexy the fluffy bunny and the sleepy sloth worked together. The bunny helped plant the ferns for the restaurant. The sloth collected yummy fruits, and Rexy used his strong feet to squish berries for juice and his gentle breath to roast tough foods. They learned that even though they were different, they could all help each other. Working together made them all happy.
Please subscribe. Thank you.